In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the copyright text in a Shopify Dawn theme footer. This is a great skill to have if you want your online store to truly represent your brand. Changing the default text not only adds a personal touch but also reassures your visitors that they are indeed on the right website. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin portal. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Online Store section. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. From that menu, select Themes. This is the hub for all things theme-related on your Shopify account, and it's a good idea to become familiar with it if you plan on making more customizations in the future. Alright, now that you're on the Themes page, you should see the Dawn theme listed among your active themes. Next to it, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the theme editor, where you can view and edit different aspects of your store's theme. Once the theme editor has loaded, take a moment to explore, but then focus your attention on the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Theme Settings. Click on this, and when you do, a series of new options will appear. From the options that have just appeared, find and select Footer. This section allows you to make changes to what actually appears in the footer of your Shopify store. You'll be given the flexibility here to adjust various elements, but our main goal is to change the footer text, so let's focus there. In the footer settings, you'll find an option labeled something like Custom Copyright Text or just Copyright Text. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a field where you can input your own custom text. Before you start typing away, think about what you want this text to convey. Ideally, it should include your store's name and, if you'd like, the current year to keep things up to date. Type your desired text into the field. If you're unsure of where to start, a simple, your store name year. All rights reserved is a solid choice. Feel free to personalize this to match your style and tone. Remember, this is what people will see every time they visit your site, so make sure it aligns with your brand identity. After you've entered your new text, take a moment to review it for accuracy. Misspellings or errors can make your site look unprofessional, so it's always a good idea to double-check. Once you're satisfied, look for the Save button, usually located in the top right corner, and click it to ensure your changes are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the copyright text in your Shopify Dawn theme footer. This small change can help enhance the professionalism of your site and make it feel more uniquely yours. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on perfecting your online store.